Hello, this is Paul from Headlight Experts. In this video, we want to explain what panel positioning is, as it's the most important part of the installation of our LEDs. So we're going to use this housing as an example, and we're just going to go over what position you want to put these dual beams in when installing them. So we're going to use this housing as a reference. This is a sealed beam housing. It takes a H4. Other dual beams also include the 9004, 9007, 9003, and H13. So any dual beam is going to have the same exact characteristics. You're going to have LEDs on both sides, and you're going to want them facing up and down, so 12 and 6, just like this, or this way. It doesn't matter which side, just one side needs to be facing up, so 12 and 6. You can see the chips here on the board. You'll have 3 straight LEDs towards the tip, that's low beam, and the cluster towards the base, that's high. So when you do install these, you are going to want to make sure they are up and down in the housing. It's going to be similar to that. So that would be the up and down position, and then this would be left and right, which is for single beam, but we'll go over that right now. For single beam bulb and a reflector housing similar to this, the LED panels must face left and right, which is 3 and 9. So similar to this, or you can do it this way with the wire facing up. So the panels are going to be facing left and right, which is 3 and 9. We'll post an image showing the difference between a reflector and a projector. Lastly, for the 9012 LED bulb, this one is the only bulb with a single panel, as you can see here. With this bulb, the LED panels must always face down, with the exception of the GMC Sierra, where they're going to be facing up. So that'll be the only setup you do up on this one. Remember, that's the 9012, LEDs on one side. All applications minus the Sierra are down. An easy tip is you can mark the back with the Sharpie to know when it's up or down. That'll let you know what side the LEDs are on. And you can also use this method for single beam and a projector as well. For others, you can clearly see the panels if you look through the front of the housing. If you can't see through the front of the housing and you can't tell the bulb positioning, what you could do is just take a look at the wire on the back. As you can see, the heat sink points in the same direction as the LEDs. You also have HE logos on the same sides of the LEDs. The only difference is on the 9012, you have 2 dots on it, and only one of them are going to have the LEDs on one side, so that's why it's best to mark the 9012, because most 9012 applications you're not going to see the front. But also these collars are removable if you have any type of spring clip or mounting adapter or rubber gasket you need, or cover to put behind it. You could take those off, mount them down inside your housing, lock in the spring clip, and put the LED back on. And again, you're going to want to end up in the up and down position. So that's how that one would go. And that's the H4. You can go to the website, www.headlightexperts.com. If you have any questions, please email our customer service at cs@headlightexperts.com or support@headlightexperts.com. Thank you.